Hello, it's John again from Magic Watch Company with another short product video. This time another favourite, yet again an Omega. And I'm a sucker for a blue dial watch, especially these electroplated satin blue dials. This changes colour in the lights. There's a really great picture of that here. That's catching the fantastic blue dial really well. This is an automatic Omega Geneve, model 166070, 35mm on my slightly larger wrist. I have been wearing this, perfect, love the size, just love the simplicity of the watch. So this is dated to 1969. As I say, it's a 35mm watch, 18mm between the lugs. We've paired it on a blue strap for obvious reasons. It doesn't have to be blue, but I just think it sets the watch off nicely, just a simple 18mm blue strap. So this is the automatic 565 calibre with the in and out plunge date change. It's the better calibre. Well, I prefer to work on this calibre, to be honest. And so you tend to pay a little bit more for a Geneve with the 565 calibre, which was used in all the Seamasters and a variation of the Constellation calibres as well. Simple, plain, because it's a non-Seamaster stainless steel screw back case. Really like this watch. The dial is beautiful. The original lume plots, which the trademark little surround of each lume plot starts to discolour the dial around it. The blue dials reacted with these tritium markers, which is nice to see, to be honest, because it signifies it's an original dial. If you see blue dials without this, you would likely want to be more dubious on its originality. This is 100% original. We've given the case a very light polish, still keeping the definition as usual, full service. You get a 12 months cover with us. Simple dial, electric blue, starburst finish, great piece, love a blue dial, original crown, great calibre, can't really fault this watch. This is available now on the website. You can send us a WhatsApp if you'd like any more information. You can purchase online or make an appointment to come and view with me.